Pi Pioneers, this is your chance to own your name, your idea, your brand on the Pi web. The .pi domains auction is exploding with activity, and today I'm going to show you how to claim your very own yourname.pi or your business.pi in just a few steps. Let's start. So in your Pi app, go to your Pi browser, and then here below there's the Pi domains. Just click on that, and as you can see, you can search your domains. For example, I'm going to create a site or a domain for my YouTube channel, so livebeyondcode.pi. Going to search, see if it's available, and this is an available domain, so I'm going to claim or put a bid on this one. So I'm going to place bid, so the minimum is 10 pi, and then here this is the payment request page. Just need to click the approve. Then this one, let's click the approve with biometric, and it's an error, so let's try again. Let's check first if it went through. So as you can see, there's no active domain. So what we're going to do is let's try to place a bid to that domain. So just type in your domain and then place the bid and then approve with passphrase. So I'm just going to paste my passphrase, and as you can see, 10 pi bid place, and now here is the start of this domain. So that's basically it. You have now secured your Pi domain. From trending domains to the brand new Pi app experience, this is the perfect time to plant your flag in the Pi ecosystem. Build your Web3 identity, launch your Pi-powered idea, and be part of the digital frontier.